Now what if we had a fraction where the letter or variable was underneath, taking the place of the denominator, rather than on top, taking the place of the numerator? Let's look at an example. 10 over y minus 2 equals 3. Like in the previous video, our first step is to ensure that we have the 10 over y on its own. So we need to add 2 to both sides, because minus 2 plus 2 equals 0, which is nothing. So 10 over y minus 2 plus 2 equals 3 plus 2, which gives us 10 over y equals 5. Now remember that 10 over y is the same as 10 divided by y. And we know that to get rid of a fraction, we must always multiply by the denominator, which in this case is y. So we multiply the left-hand side by y. And remember, we must also do the same to the right-hand side, giving us 10 over y times y equals 5 times y. So on the left-hand side, if we put everything into a fraction format, we have 10 over y times y over 1, which equals 10y over 1y, which cancels down to 10 over 1, or just 10. So on the left-hand side, we have 10. And if we multiply y by 5, we get 5y. So we have 10 equals 5y. To get the answer, we need to do our final step. To get from 5 lots of y to just 1y, we must divide by 5. And of course, we have to do this to both sides. 10 divided by 5 equals 5y divided by 5, giving us an answer of 2 equals y, or y equals 2 if we turn it round. And don't forget, with algebra, we can always check our answer by going back to the question and substituting y for our answer. In this case, if we plug the 2 into 10 over y minus 2 equals 3, we get 10 over 2 minus 2 equals 3, or 5 minus 2 equals 3, and so we know we have the right answer.